some white, some blue, some gold, and some green. Makes the globe. This was the globe by Starry Skies on printables, and I think it came out very nicely. I printed this on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini with the AMS light system, and it's just beautiful. The layers, the color gradient, the difference, everything it's just all great. I'll leave you with this time lapse at the end. The white and the green were Creality PLA. The gold was CC3D PLA, and the blue was Ender PLA. Links are in the description for the model on printables, as well as links to get the filament if you wish to print it yourself. Overall, it was a great model, and I think it truly came out very nicely. If you have a suggestion for what I should print next, leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.